Dear brothers and sisters, the ministry of Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael, particularly with the stories they have in the Bible, were to serve protection, good news, and healing to people by their very name and by their very mission. But more than that, they served as testimonies how God has been in constant care and love over His people. Let us recall our first reading from the book of Revelation. The voice from heaven resounded these words, "Now have salvation and power come, and the kingdom of our God and the authority of His anointed. For the accuser of our brothers is cast out, who accuses them before our God day and night." These heavenly creatures would know that abounding God's love is also the plight of evil to triumph. Sa kagustuhan na maipamalas ang pag-ibig ng Diyos, gustong magpapansin at mangibabaw ang at ng kasamaan. But these angels, these archangels, would stand as sure witnesses to this fact. God's constancy and fidelity to take care of His people even with and through these dangers. Notice how the experience was described. Accuses them before God day and night. And this is something that we need to be alert. Evil would like to trap us wide awake and even in our own vulnerabilities. Walang palalampasin ang kasamaan. Walang tigil ang pagtutukso. Walang piningpiling oras ang pagsusuklam ng kasamaan. But my dear brothers and sisters, even with the accusations, temptations, and battles that we all live daily, whether spiritually, physically, and even emotionally, let us be consoled how the angels, as what Jesus in our gospel has proclaimed, to see greater things through these angels, ascending and descending on the Son of Man. With the enemy's attempt to trap, God responds by sending protection to people day in and day out. Ang kasamaan, pinahihiya tayo sa harap ng Diyos. Pero sa harap ng Diyos, tapos at tuldok ang namamahiya at naglalapastangan. Who will always triumph? God. In the battle with evil, unang-una pa lamang, sa simula pa lamang, tapos na ang laban. Panalo ang Diyos. Panalo tayo sa Diyos. My dear friends, angels are descending to us and ascending to God to remind us and send us God's beautiful messages of His eternal care and love for us. With the eternal attempt, with the everlasting attempt of evil to triumph, the everlasting protection of God never stops. The enemy accuses day in and day out, at wala silang laban sa mga ito. Mahihinang nilalang ang mga kaaway. They are occupied with pride. but with the humility and tenderness of these archangels, with the help of Gabriel, Raphael, and Michael, may we see our triumph, may we see our freedom, and may we all see our ways, God leading us to His goodness and His peace.